Meet Zadar, a city on the Croatian coast, which is, according to the most popular travel guides in the world, known as the Croatia's capital of cool. Apart from being recognized as the coolest city in Croatia, Zadar is also the oldest continuously inhabited Croatian city. For this reason, it will surely impress you with Roman ruins or medieval churches. Even more, you will fall in love with the spectacular sunsets in Zadar, which, according to the famous Hitchcock, happen to be the most beautiful ones in the world. Zadar, as an ancient jewel of the Croatian coast, hides an unforgettable experience of sleeping in a 13th century fortress. Preserved remains of the defending city walls are home to a friendly and absolutely unique Hotel Bastion, a member of Story's Croatian Unique Hotels. There are many witnesses to the city's transformation from a closed defensive town into an open southern metropolis. The medieval Bastion, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, no longer has a defensive function. It now acts as an ornament of Zadar. So this impressive story of change is best told by the amazing Hotel Bastion, offering a luxurious experience combined with history, change and contrast. Perfect contrast to an ancient history is a modern wellness and spa in the hotel. Yet they will make sure that your spa journeys take you back to the most ancient traditions of the Mediterranean through their scents and various treatments with the original Croatian salt. One of the most unique experiences while staying at the Hotel Bastion is taking a workshop for handmade jewelry made of glass. What is the connection between Zadar and ancient glass? How come so much ancient glass is found in Zadar?
Well, ancient glass has a long history here in Zadar, and we have one of the largest sites here that contains a large amount of glass, of ancient glass from 1st to 4th century. And we display it in the Museum of Ancient Glass in Zadar.
So what can visitors explore and see here?
Well, they can see glass pieces from 1st to 4th century from Roman times, and also they can see live demo workshops where they can experience and see live glass blowing, bead making, glass fusing, and lots of other glass techniques.
When somebody decides to take the workshop of jewelry made of glass, what do they learn? How do you teach them? Can you show us a little bit about the process itself?
Well, bead making is not very complicated when you are a beginner. It usually takes a couple of colorful glass rods and this glass torch, and also some skills, some hand dexterity, but it's not so very complicated. So it's easy to make some simple beads for starters.
Obviously, everyone's going to be a beginner before coming for a workshop like this.
Well, you have to be an adult, of course, because this is a bit dangerous. It's a high temperature. It's above 1,000 degrees Celsius, and you have to have protection. Like these glasses, and it's important to protect your eyes and also make sure that you don't burn yourself because it's actually very hot. Yeah.
But you go home with your own handmade jewelry. You made it yourself.
Yeah,
a
sure.
piece of it.
Yes, so it has a value like no other.
The true star of the hotel is restaurant Kastel, famous as much as the hotel itself. Their menu draws on ingredients that retrace the history and culture of Zadar and its surrounding region. Their unique gourmet experience takes you deep in the heart of forgotten family recipes from the Dalmatia region, and this is what makes visitors fall in love with their meals. Would you say Bastion has the youngest successful chef in Croatia?
I don't know, really.
I
Maybe.
I believe you are the youngest one. We've read about your gourmet philosophy, and you said that you are highly inspired by the traditional Mediterranean cuisine, but that you like to make it a little bit more creative and modern. And following that philosophy, what are you going to prepare for us today?
Today I'll prepare island pug lamb. This lamb is very famous in this region and specific because on the island is very little grass growing. It is because the wind called bura. The bura is very often in this region of Croatia. So the lamb, it's usually only herbs that manage to survive on island. So the taste of the meat is just like you marinated in that herbs.
So the lamb from island pug tastes totally different than any other lamb in this region or in Croatia. Okay, how do your visitors react when they try this type of meat?
Oh, they enjoy meat in that lamb.
How are you going to prepare it? What's the process of preparation?
So we remove all the bones from the lamb. From the bones we cook demi-glace sauce, and the meat we cook over the night on low temperature. So next day we put it on the grill, and that's it.
It's a really long process of preparing. What comes along with the lamb? What do you serve as a side dish?
We will serve potato with curd cheese. We call it skuta. And it's also from the island of Pag.
Island Pag is really nearby Zadar. It's
close,
in this region, so visitors can also go for a day trip or something to Pag to see where the lamb comes from.
Yes.
How do you get the lamb? Do you have your own farms? Or?
Yeah, we have our own farmers who breed lamb for us and make cheese also from that milk.
So everything is brought here from island of Pag.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. The unforgettable story of the Hotel Bastion, where all the best elements of a modern world are smoothly combined with the rich history of this unique place, is something you will cherish a long time after visiting. Apart from the stories in the hotel itself, you will also love the location of it. It's just a stone throw away from the main attractions in the city of Zadar. Bastion makes it easy to enjoy all of the city's amenities all day long. And it's a great location for exploring even 5 Croatian national parks and 2 parks of nature in the region around Zadar. Furthermore, if you're a premium Mastercard card holder, you can also unlock some additional benefits at Stories hotels, such as early check-in and late check-out, upgrade on arrival, welcome drink, free parking, and a complimentary bottle of wine or a fruit basket.
Stories, Croatian unique hotels.